give it that.
This portion of the video is sponsored by Garden Gold Cosmetics, hair and beauty care products made in Jamaica. Believe me when I tell you, these products are affordable and they are absolutely good. I am elated that we have such natural hair products because Cantu has failed us. I hear that they sold the formula and they're no longer the same. Well, I've tried it and trust me, even the leave-in moisturizer that I was raving over, it's no longer the same. So I am really happy for this. I will do a full review of the hair care products that I got on my next wash day, so stay tuned. Thanks to Garden Gold Cosmetics.
Garden Gold Cosmetics Power Blend Leaf of Life Infused Leave-In Moisturizer. No more Cantu for me. Try them not good already. Them not good. Alright, so
this is the leaf of blend. This is a conditioner.
Conditioner, okay.
Take this. This is the shampoo.
Let line maybe.
Yes. And then so we have this. And then the soap. Well, you need to get the oil. If you don't get the oil, you're really missing out.
Mommy Kena wants to walk. She wants to give her water. One thing too.
Going to be so happy when she get that gift card for Amazon. We sell gift cards for Amazon and she can buy anything she wants on Amazon with that gift card that you get from her.
This Denbigh Showground event was absolutely spectacular. There was something for every member of the family. They had a playground for the kids. They had section where people were selling toys. They had a plethora of vendors. Oh my gosh, this agricultural show spanned over 3 days period. We were on a VIP ticket that would allow you to go in for all 3 days, but with the heat and all of that, like me would go in for the all 3 days. But it give you also VIP parking, because as you can imagine, the parking would have been so chaotic. Beer things, you know, Jamaicans indisciplined already. So you know, say going on a VIP ticket would allow you the privilege to get out of it somewhat. But trust me, it's something you need to do. Anytime you come to Jamaica in the summertime, not to mention the fruits, them, the vegetables, the plants that you can buy. Oh my gosh, this show, something to talk about. The lady asked for the Prime Minister. He was there, you know. He was there, but me never see him.
Alright then, ladies, come to the bar. Come to the bar. Anytime we listen to that friends link up, we never mean settings. Look here. This team responds for the corner. What are you drinking? Looking at the bar, DJ,
Them you in a storybook where we draw and color black and white. Make hay while the sun shines.
Put the hand on him. Put the hand on him. Yeah. No, put your hand on him. Got you.
What you said?
Going to Jamaica.
Are you?
No.
Are you?
I'm in Jamaica.
You a Jamaican?
Yeah. And I'm in Jamaica, Mommy.
Yes, baby.
You're not in Jamaica. I'm in Jamaica.
Okay.
You're not Jamaica. I'm in Jamaica. Are you not Jamaica? I'm in Jamaica. I'm from Mommy in Jamaica. Are you not in Jamaica?